Now, I was looking in some of the remarks, in the remarks section, and some of the people are saying that this is a huge upgrade. So I am very happy to be getting this Kindle with the newest technology. Hey, I'm Steve, and I'm pretty excited. This is the all-new Kindle, the 2022 release. Let's take a look at it. This is the 16 gigabyte. It's denim in color, and I also bought the lock screen ad removal, so when I activate this one, I won't have to worry about ads. Let me show you the back of the box. It says 6-inch glare-free display, 300 ppi, weeks of battery life, built-in light, and USB-C. All right, let's get it open here. Have some paperwork. And let's see, the Kindle is wrapped in a nice little, so let's take it out. Nice. USB charger. Feels good in my hand. I like the denim color a lot. There's the back. Let me show you a size comparison of the Kindle with my hand. My hand's fairly average in size. It's kind of thick, but as far as the size goes, it's average. And you can see the Kindle beside it. Hey, welcome to my garage. Now, I will admit that this is my first Kindle ever. It's something that I have wanted forever. And when Amazon introduced this new Kindle, I decided to go for it. So this is a new experience for me. So I'm really looking forward to it. Now, I was looking in some of the remarks, in the remarks section, and some of the people are saying that this is a huge upgrade. So I am very happy to be getting this Kindle with the newest technology. I almost forgot to tell you that it does come with a USB charging cord. Now, I know you have to set these things up, but let's just turn it on for the heck of it, and let's just see what that first screen looks like. Some of y'all may be curious, so let me push the power button. Let's see if it's got enough power. It does. It's doing something. Let me tap the screen and see what happens. All right, there we go. All right, so there's going to start taking me through the languages and stuff like that. I'm going to stop here because, I'm not going to set it up quite yet. I'm going to do that this afternoon maybe, but that'll give you an idea. This was basically just an unboxing video on the new Kindle. So if you're looking at it, I hope you found that this video was helpful to you.